Hey, stop scrolling for a second. Imagine this. One person wakes up broke, rejected, and doubting everything. And a few years later, they are living the life mostly only dream about financial freedom, deep relationships, unbreakable confidence. What separated them from the crowd? Not genius, not luck, not some secret morning routine with golden milk and ice baths. It was 8 simple, repeatable habits. Habits that look boring on the surface, but compound into extraordinary results. Today, I'm breaking them down with real stories of people who live them and how you can start today. If you are ready to stop wishing and start winning, stick around. This could be the video that changes everything. Success isn't one size fits all. For some, it's millions in the bank. For others, it's time with family, peak health, or the freedom to travel. But the habits behind it, they are eerily similar across billionaires, athletes, artists, and everyday people who quietly built incredible lives. We've studied dozens of success stories from Steve Jobs to everyday entrepreneurs, and these 8 patterns show up again and again. None are glamorous, all are powerful when done consistently. What are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Habit number one, they are okay with failures. Picture a young inventor in his lab. He tries 1,000 times to make a light bulb, 1,000 failures. Most people would quit after 10. He kept going. Thomas Edison didn't see 1,000 failures. He saw 1,000 ways that didn't work. He said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Fast forward, Steve Jobs got fired from Apple, the company he founded. Devastating, right? But he later said that getting fired was the best thing that ever happened. It freed him to create Pixar and Next, which led to his triumphant return to Apple. What's the lesson? Successful people treat failure like data, not a death sentence. They ask, what did this teach me? Then pivot. Ask yourself today, what's one failure you are avoiding because it hurts? Lean into it. It's probably the feedback you need most. Imagine trying to build habit number two. Imagine trying to build a house alone with just your hands. Exhausting, impossible at scale. Now, imagine hiring a team, using power tools, and borrowing capital. Suddenly, you are building empires. That's leverage. Oprah Winfrey didn't become a media mogul by doing every interview herself. She built teams, systems, and brands that work while she slept. Elon Musk, he leverages other people's money, investors, talent, engineers, and tech, reusable rackets to do what no one else can. The average person says, I have to do it all myself. Successful people ask, who or what can multiply my effort? My dear subscribers, viewers, and supporters, start small. Delegate one task this week. Use a tool like Notion or AI to automate something. Watch your capacity to explode. Habit number three, they turn should into must. Ever said, I should start working out. I should read more. I should save money. Should lives in the land of excuses? Must lives in commitment. Should lives in the land of the excuses? Must live in commitment. When Arnold Schwarzenegger decided bodybuilding was his path, it wasn't should, it was must. He trained 5 hours a day while working other jobs. No escape routes. He burned the boats. J.K. Rowling was a single mom on welfare, depressed, rejected by publishers, but writing Harry Potter became a must. She committed no plan B. Today, billionaire author. Make one thing non-negotiable this man. Write it down. I must because of deep reason. Remove the off-ramp. Watch magic happen. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, not for fun, for unfair advantage. He reads to borrow decades of wisdom, to avoid mistakes others already paid for. Warren Buffett, Buffett spends 80% of his day reading biographies, reports, history. It's not entertainment, it's compound interest on knowledge. One reader of Atomic Habits shared, I stopped eating junk by reading nutrition books, not dieting blindly. Knowledge changed my identity. Pick one book this week that scares you a little. Read to apply, not just finish. Highlight. Act on one idea immediately. Habit number 5, they protect their time and energy. Time is the only non renewable resource. Successful people guard it like gold. Michelle Obama woke up early for workouts and family time, protected fiercely. Tim Cook starts at 3:45 a.m. for quiet focus before the world wakes. They say no to good things to say yes to great ones. They avoid energy vampires, endless scrolling, toxic people, drama. Audit your day. Where is your energy leaking? Cut one leak this week. Reclaim that hour for what matters. Habit number 6. They wake up earlier than they need to do. Two, not because 5 a.m. club is trendy, because those quiet hours compound. Tim Cook, for example, wakes up at 3:45 a.m. emails and exercise. Jack Dorsey, 5 a.m. meditation and planning. Oprah, early for reflection. It's uninterrupted time to think, create, move, no distractions. I started waking 90 minutes earlier. No phone, just journaling, planning, walking. My productivity doubled in months. Try it. Shift 30 to 60 minutes earlier for 1 week. Use it for your biggest priority. Feel the difference. Habit number 7, they rely on repetition, not motivation. Motivation is a spark. Repetition is fire. James Clear, Atomic Habits, built his empire on tiny, repeated actions. Dwayne The Rock Johnson doesn't wait to feel like training. He doesn't it rain or shine. Consistency beats intensity every time. One entrepreneur failed multiple businesses until he committed to daily outreach, 100 calls a day. No motivation needed, just repetition. Now, multi-million exit. Pick one habit. Do it daily, no matter what. Track it. Let momentum carry you. Habit number 8, they lean into discomfort. Growth lives outside comfort. Hard conversations build deeper relationships. Hard work builds skills. Hard choices build character. Sarah Blakely, the Spanx founder, faced rejection after rejection. She leaned in, turned no into fuel. Now, billionaire. Discomfort is the price of admission. Embrace it. Next time something feels hard, say, this is where growth happens. Step in. My dear subscribers, supporters, and viewers, these eight habits aren't magic. They are choices, quiet, daily choices that stack over time. They turn ordinary people into extraordinary ones. They can do the same for you. Start with one today. Pick the one that hits the hardest. Commit. Drop in the comment section which habit are you starting with. If this fired you up, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We are building better lives together. You've got this. Now go make it happen. See you in the next one. Have a great day. It's a wrap. Bye bye.